sent it.
Because I haven't got it as yet. That's why I was asking.
Yeah, I just sent it.
Okay, I'll just check. I got it, Naisa. Thank you.
Did you get it?
Sorry, did somebody ask?
Did you get it?
Yes, yes, I got it. I got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Who's the host for this meeting? Excuse me. From our school? Abir sir?
Charu, it is Ajay and Siddesh as the IT person.
Because the artist, no, Ishan, he's saying that I am waiting for the host to let me in.
Yes.
Hi. Welcome, Arun bhai. How are you?
Yes, Siddesh here. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
From our school?
Thank you, Siddharth. This is something new for me, Google Meet.
Yes.
Welcome, Arun sir.
Thank you, Karan. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Looking ravishing as usual.
I'm on time. बराबर time पे आ जाता हूँ.
Time के पहले आ गए आप.
वो अपना आ गया.
Yes.
संगीता जी आई है ना?
हाँ, संगीता जी.
Yes, yes. Auto admitted. Hello.
है, but अभी This is something new for me, Google Meet.
Yes.
Welcome, Arun sir.
Thank you, Karan. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Looking ravishing as usual.
I'm on time. बराबर time पे आ जाता हूँ.
Time के पहले आ गए आप.
Who did this replay? Yeah?
This is recording happening.
Oh.
And we are live also on Facebook. So.
ऐसा recording live मत जाने दे.
यार ऐसा बता दिया कर यार मैं सोचा ये कैसे.
Even I don't know what happened when suddenly. Even I was clueless.
Even I was wondering मेरा आवाज वापस कैसे?
No, वापस कैसे ये revert हुआ ऐसे?
मैं बोला I'm not even at a mountain कि वो एक को जाके वापस आता है.
मतलब पुनर्जन्म हो गया क्या?
कोरोना में कुछ भी होता है. So this has been held over last 2 days.
Yes, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday we started it, and today before this session we had a workshop also.
Okay, fine.
So now the students are still in the workshop, so they will join all the students and they will join us.
मीटिंग में चालू करेगी.
So you will be habitual to Zoom meet, na Arun sir?
हाँ.
नहीं होता बात ये arrangement.
अभी आदत डल रही थी, तो अभी ये नया चीज चल रहा है. But here you can. One thing is good. I think the disturbance may be less. I think.
Yeah, and the screen face जो अपना दिख रहा है वो थोड़ा बड़ा दिखता है. Zoom में बहुत छोटा आता है.
अच्छा ऐसा है.
And इसमें time limit वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. You don't have to buy anything. It's free basically.
Oh, okay. technologies are changing now.
Need of the hour, na sir.
बराबर है, बराबर. So you are totally 250 participants.
Yeah.
Wonderful, very good. Entire Nahar school.
Not only in our school, but students from across the country, sir, we had participants.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Good. Today only was the Interact DTA, no?
Yeah.
So I was telling them about the Ripen, and it's a good program, and only those who are interested join, because there were some mischief mongers. They were playing a video on organ donation. Siddharth and Karan, both, I'm putting you this challenge. Can you draw something on share a screen video which is being played so that the entire video gets marred? उसने कलरिंग कर दिया स्क्रीन पे.
Oh shit.
वो वीडियो की लग गई. One boy. And you know, after that, the next speaker was me. So I said, nice to see some of you are doing masti on the Zoom. You request such masti and all. But then I said, when I started talking about the Ripen program, I said, here, all those who, your school must have made it compulsory for you to attend. But I request in Ripen, those masti kar wala don't join, and they have their masti at home, and let others who are serious join.
But sir, यहाँ पे मस्तीखोर बच्चे को भी हम लोग ऐसे काम पे लगा देंगे ना कि they will enjoy the show, they will definitely be participating, and they will love it doing it.
ठीक है ना, तो तुम लोग को आदत है तो तुमको 4-5 Ripen और करा देता हूँ.
हाँ, प्रेसिडेंट बैठे हैं, यूथ सेक्रेटरी बैठा है, I am okay with it. मेरे को
Karan will take the lead. Karan will.
I will achieve my target for the district.
Already entrepreneurship we have given to Ujjwal.
हाँ.
तो अभी ये Ripen का तेरे सिर पे डाल देता हूँ.
नहीं, राइपिन दो, रायला दो, जो देने के दो, हम कुछ भी सब कर सकते हैं.
रायला एक्चुअली अपने अंडर नहीं आता है, वो कुरैशी वाला टीम है.
तो राइपिन भी उनके अंदर ही आता है, अपने तो किधर राइपिन आता है.
इंटरेक्ट के लिए क्या है?
Hi, good evening, Dr. Arun Garg. Hi, Siddharth. Hi, Karan. Hi, so I am Praveen Khattar. I am the head of secondary of Nahar International School. I'm also a Rotarian from the same club, Dr. Arun Garg. So, yes.
Arun,
so
she is the youth service director for the club this year.
And support system of the club.
Youth
ये दोनों अरुण भाई, ये दोनों जन जो बैठे हैं ना यहाँ पे, सोनाली एंड करण, ये गए साल उनको बेस्ट जोड़ी का अवार्ड दिया गया था.
अच्छा.
इन दोनों अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट हाथ में लेते हैं तो वो शानदार और नेशनल लेवल के प्रोजेक्ट्स हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
गए साल लास्ट ईयर ई रायला किया गया था, एंड इवन हरजीत वाज मेस्मराइज्ड विद व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. करण बता ना जरा.
Sir, it was the second E-Raila in the entire country and first of RID 3141 that we did last year.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
E-Raila.
Yeah. तो सर मैं पूरा संक्षिप्त में आपको बाद में बताऊंगा, because अभी बच्चे लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे तो I think we should start today का event.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I was just thinking we can begin, Karan, because it's 6:10 and we have 50 participants already. There are a few more joining in. I will just check for all the artists if they have joined
all the artists joining or not. Yeah.
Yes. If I can request everybody to switch on their cameras for the closing ceremony. Students, teachers, kindly switch on your cameras. Yes, I can see Mr. Ishan Roy over there. Let me just check for the others. I can see Miss Prapti is there.
Yes.
I'm just waiting.
Priyanka is there.
Yes, Miss Priyanka is also there.
Hello, everybody.
We're just waiting for the artists at least to kind of join in, Karan. So just give me 5 minutes. I'll figure out where are they.
Anyways, we are supposed to start by 6:15 officially, so you have 5 minutes with you. Yeah.
So I'm just checking on the artists. Charu ma'am, if you can help me reach out to the artists, at least they need to be around for the closing ceremony.
Yeah, I'll just do that. I'll just do that.
Thank you so much, Aru ma'am. And I think Chinmay had a question. What are we going to do over here? So we've had wonderful workshops, Chinmay, and the rest of the students who are here in the closing ceremony. And I think we need to appreciate all the artists. And definitely we are going to appreciate your work. So we are going to see a glimpse of what we have done in the past 2 days. So just hold on for 5 more minutes and then we begin the program. Thank you so much.
Siddharth, just give me 5 minutes. I'm switching off my video. I'm having a cup of tea. It doesn't look good in front of everyone. तुम्हारे मुंह में पानी आ जाएगा.
Sure,
No
sir.
issue, sir. No
No
problem,
issues.
sir.
Yes, perfectly okay. Sonali, just a quick question. और लोग अभी इसमें ये विंडो में ऐड हो रहे हैं ना अभी?
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Lakshmi, is this live on our Facebook page?
Yes.
अच्छा नार पेज पे. Okay.
सॉरी, क्या करना है लक्ष्मी?
I can see on the NAR's page we are live. Sonal is.
Hiral is there. Jagruti Papi is there. No, check it out. कौन सा Zoom के ऊपर है? Zoom में नहीं रहेगी, हम लोग Google पे रहेंगे. और we are not controlling their this thing ना. Their Zoom ID कुछ अलग है ना उनका. Our Zoom ID is open for everybody. Everybody can directly log in. No waiting room is active. Waiting room is not activated.
But we have to share the screen over there and on our Zoom ID because there's nothing being projected on our Zoom ID.
I was about to call you. Both.
Rajesh sir, have you joined?
They have left, so they should be joining, Charu. I just checked. All of them have left from abstraction.
Yeah, I just spoke to him. He said he's joining, but I'm just checking if he's joined.
Charu ma'am, is Radhika also joining us? Shalaka ma'am, Dil ma'am, Charu ma'am, help me out with this. Is Radhika joining us for the session?
I think they're just winding up.
Okay. Yeah.
Maybe 2 minutes.
Okay, so we will just take
Yeah,
2
Radhika is just joining. I spoke to her.
Okay.
Rajesh sir is already here. Ishan sir is here.
Prapti is also here.
Yes, Prapti is here.
Yeah, Radhika is also here.
I'm just trying to connect with Varsha if she can also join us. Okay, I guess we'll begin the proceedings of the event. Karan, I hand over it to you so we can start the event. Yes.
Omkar sir is also joining right now.
Okay, thank you, Charu ma'am.
Sonali, should I start?
Yes, please start.
We have all the students and at least the artist with us. We have the guest of honor also with us. Okay. So, namaskar and a very good evening to all our participants, students, teachers, friends, family, parents, art lovers, and all invited guests. It's my absolute honor to extend a warm word of welcome to each one of you, you being here on a Sunday evening to join us for the closing ceremony, the art festival Raipin Chiaroscuro. Is a proof enough of your love, support, and encouragement. So, on behalf of my Rotary and the Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South, and on behalf of NAR International School, a very big welcome to each one of you. These last 2 days saw the coming together of 253 students from across the country and 53 teachers and 7 experienced artists with different background, interests, and visions. It is said that art has the power to transform, to illuminate, to educate, to inspire, and to motivate. Keeping this in mind, we all means the organizing committee, desire to create and to run a fantastic, colorful, good virtual art festival, Chiaroscuro. A festival is a place for people to gather and to share. And this very spirit, we gathered virtually for the past 2 days to interact, to learn, to share about the idea of different art forms through an online art festival. I welcome each one of you for the closing ceremony of Chiaroscuro. Before we proceed towards the closing ceremony, let me welcome and introduce our artists, without whom this festival of colors wouldn't have been possible. So, friend, let us welcome each and every artist that have helped us to make this event a successful event. So, our first artist, Mr. Ishan Roy. Can we welcome him, guys? Can I have a thumbs up from everyone?
Yeah, thumbs up from my side to all the participants, because without them, my being there would have been of no use.
Yeah, thank you so much. And for the people who have joined us today, a small introduction about Ishan Roy, a versatile product designer from NID. He took us through a journey of design thinking. In his workshop, he explained teaching skills of creating a sketchbook, which helped our participants to understand resource management and model making skill, which is important in this day and age. It was a wonderful workshop done by Ishan Roy. Students literally enjoyed it. I think we'll get the feedback once I introduce all the artists. So there is some feedback sessions by the students also. So you're going to hear from them also. Thank you so much, Mr. Roy.
Thank you so much.
And welcome. Our second artist is Manjut Kaur, a multi-talented artist. She navigates between drawing, painting, installation, video, sound, and performance. Working with a simple potted plant, the students understood the difficult notion of composition from a conceptual point of view. Let us welcome our second artist, Manjot Kaur. Can I have a thumbs up from all of us for Manjot Kaur also? Welcome, Manjot. Is she there, Praveen?
No, she couldn't join us today for the ceremony
Karan?
because she's in Canada and the time zones are different.
Oh, sorry. Okay, good. Yes, Arun,
Karan,
sir?
one request: whenever you call an artist, if I could see the face of the artist, but they could pin themselves. I don't know how Google Meet works, because what happens is I'm just imagining the artist.
So what I'll request to say a hello or something so that you can see on your screen. So when he's speaking.
There I can see. There I saw Ishan.
Point taken, sir.
Yeah, that's how I look. So
Yeah, he's Mr. Roy. You can see him now.
Not that it matters, but at least you know. Because, after all, later on during the event, I have to do something. So at least artist ka chehra to dekh lo.
So Roy, now
Makes
can
sense.
you say something? Yeah. Now you can see Roy, sir, on the screen. Can you see him?
yeah.
Very much, very much.
Yeah.
And
Thank
I'm
you
a
so much.
dentist like you, okay? So I look at the smile.
Yeah. So let us welcome our third artist for the evening. The third artist is Mr. Omkar Dareshwar. Is Omkar around?
Yes, he's there. He's there.
Yeah. Can I?
Omkar,
we
you
ask
have to
him-
unmute and say hi so that we can see
Yeah.
him.
Yeah.
Hey everyone. Sorry for being
Hi.
late.
Hi, Omkar. A small intro about Omkar, an art activist and a renowned graffiti artist. He conducted a workshop for us on introducing graffiti on Indian street, its purpose and effects. He guided us to create our own name in graffiti letters with the help of graffiti elements and 3D highlights. Welcome, Omkar, and thank you so much for that wonderful session, Omkar. Our next artist for the day is Prapti Chawanke. Prapti, can you be unmuted and can you off on your screen, please? Can you say
Hello,
hi?
everyone.
Yeah, hi, Prapti.
Hi, Prapti.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, a small introduction about Prapti, a talented printmaker from JJ School of Art, Mumbai. In a workshop, she covered a live demonstration of printmaking techniques in her studio. She made us understand the use of space division, textures, and the techniques of the printmaking process by making a monochromatic sketch with a monocolor on paper. Very talented artist we got, Arun sir, for these sessions, and Prapti is also one of them. Welcome, Prapti, for the closing ceremony, and thank you so much for the wonderful workshop.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thumbs up to you.
Our fifth artist for the evening is Radhika Surana. Is Radhika around?
I think yes, she joined in.
Okay. Can we ask
Radhika
her to?
ma'am.
Radhika ma'am, can you just on your video,
I
please?
think she just dropped out. She'll join again, so we'll just.
So what I'll do, I'll take her introduction in sometime. If she joins, I'll go ahead.
Yes.
If she joins, just let me know. Yeah. So our next artist is Rajesh
Oh, there
Karbu.
she is. There
Okay,
she
she's
is.
there?
Radhika. I can see her.
Okay. Chalo. Good. Hello, Radhika. Welcome. Radhika, can you on your video?
Yes, hi.
Hi, Radhika.
Hi. Hi.
So a small intro of Radhika. Radhika is a graduate in fine arts from Rajasthan University. She trained under the eminent artist Dwarka Prasad Sharma and attended courses at Candor College, Ontario. In her workshop, students learn to use the pencil for drawing, shading. They also learn about wet technique, dry brush techniques, work on a floral pattern, painting, and etc. Radhika, welcome to the closing ceremony, and thank you so much for that wonderful workshop. Thank you, Radhika.
Yeah.
Our sixth artist for the evening is Rajesh Kargutkar. Is Mr. Rajesh around?
Hello.
Hi, Rajesh.
Hi.
Can we all have a thumbs up for Rajesh also? And I forgot for all the other artists. Can everyone give
I
thumbs
was
up to
kidding. I was
everyone?
doing a thumbs up. Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much. So Rajesh is an accomplished artist with a BFA and MFA, that is Bachelor in Fine Arts and Masters in Fine Arts from Sir JJ School of Arts, Mumbai. He conducted the workshop on the language of art and reviewing the principles of design and elements of art through abstract art. It was a wonderful session. The kids really enjoyed it. Rajesh, thank you so much and welcome for this closing ceremony. Welcome. Can we have the seventh artist, Varsha ma'am, please? Is she there?
Yes.
Yes, Varsha here.
Hi, Varsha.
Hello, Varsha ma'am. Welcome. Yeah. A small introduction about Varsha Jain, a passionate and experienced photographer who conducted the workshop on introduction to photography, rules of photography, phone photography, and importance of editing. Wonderful session on photography, Varsha ma'am. Kids literally loved it. Thank you so much and welcome to the closing ceremony.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. And the last artist, I won't say artist because she is one of our own Nahar International School teacher, Miss Priyanka Lad. Can we have Priyanka on screen, please? Priyanka?
Hi,
Can you have
Priyanka.
thumbs up for Priyanka also? Yeah. So small introduction about Priyanka. Priyanka is a very passionate and versatile facilitator. She is the digital literacy coordinator at Nahar International School. She is a voracious reader with great interest in photography, art, and technology. Her deep interest in research in multimedia has enhanced the technology curriculum at Nahar International School. She is extremely proficient in technology and multimedia. She has started training the teachers with technological tools that they can use to enhance the teaching learning process in this era of online platform. And let me tell you, she handled the teachers workshop very well. I think it was a fantastic workshop, Priyanka. Hope you also enjoyed it while conducting it. Can you unmute yourself? We can't hear you, Priyanka. Yeah.
Yes, sir. It was equally enjoyable experience for me as well. Yeah.
It was also our pleasure to have all the 7 artists and the teacher from Nahar to be on the panel and sharing your experience and knowledge with all our kids. So we also, I welcome all the artists and the teachers from Nahar. Now let me also introduce and welcome the dignitaries who are present with us. So let me start with our own president of the Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South, Rotarian Siddharth Daftari. Friend Siddharth joined Rotary in the year 2014. He has served the club in various capacities, right from a member to the president-elect and now the club president. He has adopted Rotary principles and observer of service above self and 4-way test in his business and personal life. And I'll tell you, my friends, he has also received a lot of awards in his tenure as a club Rotarian. Currently, Siddharth is a director of 9 Organics Private Limited. He joined his family business with a dream to take his father's efforts to greater heights and see higher peaks. His business expertise is in supply chain management in chemical industry and deals in solvents, specialty chemicals, acids, and monomers. He is also an active member of Chemical and Alkali Merchants Association Mumbai. Siddharth Daftari has done his graduation in computer technology and holds a diploma in advanced computer technology from Bharati Vidyapit, Pune. He is also a diploma holder in import, export, trade, and foreign policies from Indian Merchant Chambers. Guys, the biodata is never ending, so I had to cut it short. Sorry, Siddharth. Nonetheless, you have a lot of accolades and awards in your name also. We all know that. So a few words from our president. President, all yours. Can we welcome Siddharth with a thumbs up, all of us? Yeah. Yes, Siddharth.
Thank you, Karan, for this wonderful introduction. Friends, I would also like to thank you, Nahar School, for this tie-up with Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South and Rotary District 314 Rotaract District, Rotaract Club of Mumbai Mulund South, and for inviting us over here and giving an opportunity to share a word. Guest of honor and my dear friend Dr. Arun Garg, District Project Director for Youth Service, Chief Guest of Nahar School, School Principal Madam Vandana ji, my friends and Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South Youth Director Praveen Khattar, all esteemed artists, Rotarians and Rotaractors, teachers and participants. A warm welcome to each one of you and a very warm good evening to each one of you. Friends, I'm glad to share with you that almost every year we organize Rotary Youth Program of Enrichment, which we call it as RIPEN popularly. But this year it's more special. This year it's the biggest ever organized RIPEN by Rotary and Rotaract Club of Mumbai Mulund South, getting registrations of more than 250 members. Friends, many congratulations to Praveen Khattar, Karan Rawal, Lakshmi Murarka, and the whole team who has worked tirelessly behind this thing. And my little champions, you have taken this program and help yourself explore the magic of art in this pandemic. I am sure you have sensed a joy of achieving a satisfaction after going through this course. Like languages, science, and maths, even art is also a fascinating mode of platform. चाहो तो करियर बना लो, चाहो तो लेजर ले लो, चाहो तो पैशन बना लो, और चाहो तो रिक्रिएशन कर लो. It's up to you how you interpreted today's program. After this event, think on all the ways that you can involve art in your life for years to come and see the magic of rejuvenation. Is artist Omkar Dareshwar here? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Omkar. Omkar, I have a message for you. Yesterday when I heard you, I was much fascinated with your talk. And when I introspected the positive outcome of your art, graffiti is one of the most powerful public medium to spread a message. Omkarji, my club is running an ongoing awareness campaign on plasma donation for COVID survivors.
Okay.
This is a public awareness campaign and did not have any association. I request you to please push for this awareness in your art displays. Thank you. Yeah, friends.
Definitely.
Once again, I thank you for inviting me and listening to me patiently. I wish all the little champions, all the participants, greatest luck in all your endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Siddharth, for those lovely and motivational words from your side, and also representing the Rotary and the Rotaract fraternity from your side. Thank you so much, Siddharth. Now I request Tasneem ma'am to take the proceedings further. Tasneem ma'am.
Yeah, hi everyone, and very good evening to everyone. It has been engaging 2 weeks, 2 days. We have learned so much during this online art event. We've had interesting workshops coming in from all the artists, and we've had a fabulous workshop conducted by Priyanka for all the art teachers. We would now like to take you through the 2-day workshop and give you a brief glimpse of whatever has been happening in the past 2 days. So I'll be sharing my screen with you now and taking you through some samples of the work that has happened during the course of the 2 days. Yeah. So this is the closing. I'm going to take you through day 1 and all the workshops that were conducted on day 1. So I would just like to read out a small letter of felicitation from all of us to Mr. Ishan Roy. NIS is honored to have you as our panelist for Chiaroscuro, our first online art event in collaboration with Rotary and Rotaract Club of Mumbai, Mulund South. Your insightful workshop on sketchbook making has enlightened our participants and created an interest towards product designing. It has encouraged our participants to amalgamate creativity with eco-friendly practices to design products which are user-friendly. This workshop has not only fostered creativity, but also encouraged the participants to become self-reliant and explore endless possibilities with different materials in their environment. We hope you have enjoyed the event and we look forward to take this association forward.
Yeah, I would just like to thank everyone who was there for the workshop, and I hope you all had a good time. And I hope you continue to have a good time whenever you're learning something new, because that's the best way to learn. So all the very best to all of you.
We would also like to appreciate Ms. Varsha Jain. It was an honor to have you as one of our panelists for Chiaroscuro, our first online art event at NIS in collaboration with Rotary and Rotaract Club of Mumbai, Mulund South. You have captivated our young participants with an insightful workshop and indeed made it memorable for them. Your workshop has encouraged us to believe that our mobile phones can capture the magical moments in our lives just as aesthetically as a DSLR camera could. Introducing techniques to edit photos using online tools has created unfathomable opportunities for our students to explore, engage, and express. We hope you too have enjoyed interacting with our participants, and we look forward to many more opportunities to interact with you.
Thank you so much, Tasneem. And thank you to everybody. Thank you to all the budding artists. And it was a very beautiful opportunity. Thank you for this opportunity.
Tasneem ma'am, can we request our guest of honor, Rotarian
Yes.
Arun Garg, to felicitate the next artist, please?
Yes.
Thank you. So, Arun sir, can you just read the certificate that you have made for the artist?
Yeah, Ms. Manjot Kaur, it was a pleasure to have you as an eminent panelist at Chiaroscuro, sorry if I'm not pronouncing it properly, Chiaroscuro, an event conducted by NIS in collaboration with Rotary and Rotaract Club of Mumbai, Mulund South. Your workshop has enlightened our participants to the existential threat of climate change to humanity and encouraged them to rethink collectively. Using a potted plant during the workshop was indeed a unique approach to enlighten our participants to the ever-growing concern of climate change, rapidly increased population, and the demands of all these make on nature. Furthermore, making the participants to think of the number of people they believe will be able to survive on planet Earth and use it in their composition was indeed an unequaled experience. We look forward to many more enlightening experiences with you in the future and hope that you too enjoyed collaborating with us. Thank you, Manjot.
Thank you so much, sir. Manjot, ma'am couldn't join us, as I said, because of the time difference today. But
No
we will
problem.
surely send this recording with your beautiful, kind words to her, so that she can also enjoy this experience.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Omkar, amazing is the right word. I saw the participants, what they did in a single day workshop which you have conducted. Hats off to you, boss. NIS and the Rotary and Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South are immensely grateful to the amazing workshop on graffiti art. Through your workshop, you have indeed changed the way we perceive graffiti and street art. You took us through the history of graffiti art, introduced the participants to the legends of graffiti art, and showed them how it has percolated in India and now is widely explored. It was a refreshing medium for young participants. They will definitely be inspired by the work of the legendary graffiti artists you have introduced them and create their own style unique to them. It was truly an enthralling experience, and the workshop will be etched in our memory for being so novel. We look forward to many more such enriching experiences with you and look forward to collaborating with you in our future endeavors. I hope you also enjoyed this brief journey with us, much as we did. Thank you, Omkar.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a really great experience to be part of this, and I hope the students enjoyed it. And I just want to say that there are a lot of things that that you don't think that you should do. Maybe it's not good to do it, or maybe it's just a waste of time. But sometimes when you're just wasting time, you discover gold. So don't be afraid of wasting time sometimes.
Omkar, I am a lover of graffiti too, and I saw the students have done a very good job in their first attempt. So you have really conducted a very nice workshop.
Thank you so much.
We will shortly be taking you through the presentations for the day 2. So in the meanwhile, would Ms. Praveen like to add something?
Yeah. Karan, I think we need to ask one of the speakers or the guest of honor to why don't you introduce Mr. Garg to the whole of the audience over here, so we can hear him, because we are still in the process of making the glimpses of workshop 2. We just ended, so we would require just 10 more minutes to show you what we have done today for the workshop.
Definitely.
Sorry to interrupt, Praveen. We can begin in another 5 minutes as well. It's
Sure,
okay.
sure. Thank you, Tasneem ma'am.
No problem. I think, Karan, you can start with my introduction. I'll give my speech and then you can do this. There's no protocol, okay? Mere baad is nothing that after I speak, there should be nothing happening. You go ahead. We don't want to waste time. So we give the teachers enough time to prepare their presentation. And meanwhile, you can do my introduction and I'll give my small bhashan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah. So guys, as the guest of honor has already given us the permission to introduce him, so let me have a small introduction about our guest of honor for today. Today's evening guest of honor is District Youth Service Director of RID 3141, Rotarian Dr. Arun Garg. Dr. Arun Garg was born in Mumbai and has done his schooling from Don Bosco, Matunga, and thereafter went to do his dentistry from the Nayar Hospital, Dental College, Mumbai. He did his post-graduation from the same college in oral and maxillofacial surgery in 1986 and has been in private practice since then. He loves dentistry and especially cosmetic dentistry, in which he restores the patient's lost smile. He practices at 2 charitable clinics so that the lower strata of the society can also get the benefit of dental treatment, which is costly. He is a past president of the Rotary Club of Bombay Uptown and has been a member of the Rotary Club since 15 years. Guys, besides being a Rotarian, he was also an ex-Rotractor and also an ex-Interactor too. So he has gone through all the 3 stages of Rotary, that is Interact, Rotract, and then the Rotary. Sorry. He has been in the Rotary district team since he finished his presidential year and has held various posts in the district. He is a multiple Paul Harris Fellow. His association with the BMN College has been since the last 10 years.
Hello. Hello.
And every year, he and his wife come and conduct dental checkup camps for the NSS of the college. He's given talks on importance of good oral hygiene in as many as 30 clubs or Mumbai. So friends, let us welcome our guest of honor, Rotarian Dr. Arun Garg, who also has a lovely smile as a dentist. Arun sir, all yours.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Karan, for the sweet introduction. And I'm so happy to be here because I am a lover of art, but I can't do art myself. I can't draw for nuts. But believe me, when I try to restore the smile of the patient, it's also a lot of art involved. When we entered the dental college, we were told dentistry is the art and science of the treatment of teeth and its surrounding structures. We were wondering, science is understood, dentistry is to do with science, but what has art got to do with it? But later on, when I started my practice and when we had to build up a broken tooth and restore a smile of a patient, I realized that art is important. And that's the way is my contribution towards art. Otherwise, be it any drawing or painting, in college times, I used to require the help of my seniors and the girls in my batch to help me to do that. So I'm so happy that all these artists from all over, I believe they are from different parts of the country also, and maybe some are international, that they have come and coordinated with the organizers and done such an excellent job in making so many, more than 253 participants aware and teaching them new skills in name it, whichever, whether it's print designing, whether it's, I think today, yesterday, pots, graffiti, and all the other things. I don't remember because I was told about this today. I didn't have time to go through it. But hats off, you all have done an excellent job. And anytime Nahar wants, I'll come. My role, I feel, is to teach the importance of good oral hygiene. So I don't give any commercial talks. What I do is teach how to maintain your teeth so that they are disease prevented. Okay, so you want a Zoom talk, you can organize a Zoom talk, and I'll come with, I have my own PowerPoint presentation, which is in very simple language, so which can be easily understood. And congratulations to Siddharth Daftari and the organizers. I forgot, what was the name, Karan, along with you?
Sonali Khattar.
Sonali Khattar. And is it related to Praveen Khattar?
Sir, I have two names.
Yeah.
I have two names, sir. So that causes a little confusion. Yes.
That's why I'm wondering what is the alliance doing here. I saw Praveen Khattar there, and Siddharth told me that Sonali and Karan, they do both things as a joint jodi and they work, but I couldn't see Sonali, so I forgot that there could be an alliance sitting here amongst us. She's got two names, and congratulations to both of you all. And one more thing I noticed, there's a nice sergeant at arms sitting here. When Tasneem, ma'am, microphone went on, suddenly she put them on mute. When Siddharth microphone went on, she put them on mute. So hats off, boss. All the best. Thank you very much. And I'm sitting there for the program for the remaining part of it. I hope Tasneem and Praveen are ready with it. Otherwise, we can do something more.
Yes, Tasneem ma'am, can we show the glimpses of the day too?
Yes, Praveen, I will now be, there has been a request on the chat box that they would like to see the work of the creative conceptualization once again. So if it's okay, I'll just show those slides first before I move on to showing the work that was done on day 2, which is today.
Go ahead, ma'am, go ahead.
Also, Tasneem ma'am, for graffiti, some are asking. So just a request.
So if we can, if we can play that PPT once again for the first day glimpses and then move to day 2, if that's okay, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Not a problem.
Amazing, I tell you, it's really amazing work.
Okay, I'll now be taking you all through the presentation, through the artwork that has happened on day 2, which is today. So just please give me a moment till I start presenting.
I think, Tasneem, even in this case, you played once,
Yeah.
we give them the felicitation, and at the end of the thing, play the entire presentation all over again, so that you have
Sure.
the complete touch together.
Absolutely, sir. Yes. So today, the first workshop that was conducted was conducted by Mr. Rajesh Kargutkar.
Yep. Rajesh.
Abstract art.
Yep. Thank you very much. Rajesh, abstract art. Can you have the felicitation slide, please? Tasneem ji, can we have the...
Yes, sir.
Yep. Rajesh, seems to be you have taught the students what to do abstract art very well. I saw a lovely presentation. Chiaroscuro is an annual art event conducted at NIS, which was conducted online this year in collaboration with Rotary and Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South. And it was an honor to have you as one of our panelists. The workshop was educative as it cleared our perceptions about abstract art. It explored how art and science have the same foundation. Both require experimentation, and yet both can lead by imagination. Participants also learn about how abstract art is the exploration of formal qualities like line, color, texture, pattern, composition, as well as form. The participants gained insights into the language of art, the elements of art, as well as the principles of design. It was fascinating to see how thought behind an artwork unfolds, and we gained deeper insights into the composition. We hope you were as happy as we were to have you for this workshop. We look forward to many more interactions with you and hope that our students too have imbibed some of the panic or experimentation from you. Rajesh, sir, your response.
Yes, thank you for these words and the invitation to come and join your students and all over the country. And it was a pleasure discussing with the students, and I also learned many things from them. They were more energetic and more involved. And the purpose was solved when they started. In the first slide only, I understood that the student understand the language of art, they need to explore. So my gear changed over there only. And it's nice. And Mr. Garg, Arun Garg, I just wanted to tell you that you say that you don't know how to do art, right?
Yeah.
But I say, the German artist Joseph Beuys, He said that everyone is an artist.
So that is it. I mean, I can do something like an abstract art. I'm thinking something and I'm drawing, and something would definitely come out. But the other person has to understand what you have done, right? I think an abstract art is that.
That's what I'm trying to explain. That art doesn't mean you need to be painter or a sculptor. Artist means you in your profession. The dentist can be an artist because it's a word described that what it means to the human being, right? The deep need and a fundamental ability to create and be creative. It's not just a medium. The painter has a medium to do painting. You have a medium teeth and create a design of it. So I think you also do creative imagination thing.
Thank you, Rajesh. That's what I say. That I learned that I am an artist when I started practicing dentistry and restoring the lost smile, the broken teeth, the curvature, the smile. It's really an art. But if you tell me to draw something, maybe abstract, I'll do something which I'll think is that, and you might think it's something.
So Arun sir and Rajesh sir, so for this, I think Arun sir, you do a painting and share that picture with Rajesh, and then we can have the discussion on the painting what you have done.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This is done with the help of blocks.
Yes, sir. It's a Prapti here. It's a printmaking. So some students made they carved on a potato. They use a potato. Some students use coin, and some of them use a lid of a bottle.
Oh wow!
It's a printmaking.
So I was just trying to appreciate and trying to make out as to how this was done. Thank you.
Arun sir, this was done 3 years back only. मतलब ये अभी किया हुआ है, ऐसे नहीं कि कल वाला है. ये आज का आर्ट वर्क है.
आज का है ना?
Yes.
So that's what I'm saying.
Very creative.
To know as to how it is done, because I'm really getting more and more interested into art. And thank you, Prapti, for your input. You have done a good job.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, would you read out the letter of appreciation for Ms. Prapti?
Appreciation for Ms. Prapti Chawanke. It's been an honor to have you as a panelist during chair. How do you pronounce this?
Chiaroscuro.
Chiaroscuro. Chiaroscuro. Okay, I'll do it now. Nice. Chiaroscuro, the annual art event at NIS in collaboration with Rotary and Rotaract Club of Mumbai Mulund South. The participants have an enlightening experience learning about relief printing, which is the oldest and most durable method of making prints. Participants were apprised of everyday objects and materials that can be used for relief printing, thereby making this technique accessible to everyone. It was a very insightful session, and the participants will now be encouraged to explore this technique to create an artwork articles used in everyday life. It was a pleasure interacting with you during the workshop, and we look forward to collaborating with you in the future. Prapti, your response.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, and thank you each and every member behind this event. It's really all out put in very great efforts, and it's a pleasure to work with you all. Thank you so much for having me on this platform.
Thank you, Prapti.
Thank you, Prapti, for those wonderful words.
It looks so real, especially the Rujuta Bapat one. It looks so real, the flower.
I know, it's actually popping out of the...
Yeah. From the canvas, I said.
3D painting.
Yeah.
Wonderful. In collaboration with Rotary and Rotaract Club of Mumbai Mulund South, the informative workshop on watercolor painting made the participants aware of the technique of learning as well as improving the art. It was extremely enjoyable and allowed the participants to explore as well as apply their learning. We are truly helpful. You were truly helpful in explaining even the simplest of techniques to the participants and therefore making it a wholesome learning experience. NIS looks forward having you with yours for many more collaborative experiences and hope that this workshop was as engaging for you as it was for all the participants. Radhika, your response? Is she there or?
Yeah, I'm here. Thank you, Mr. Garg. Thank you so much. It was a real pleasure to be here with all of you. I'm so impressed with the way the teachers worked tirelessly. It was so seamlessly organized. I did not have any issues. Everything was explained, and I'm a bit technology challenged, so I had to figure things out. But thank you so much for having me here. It was nice to interact with the kids. They were all so interested in trying to learn and understand. So, yes, thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you, Radhika. And first of all, I forgot to congratulate the teachers behind the entire thing. I think it must be really an effort. On which platform did you do this? Sonali, which platform?
So we used Google Meet only. So we were on Google Meet because that's how the school functions, and we are having our classes also on Google Meet, and all the events now will be on Google Meet. That's what we have been using, and for the event also we use the same.
Wonderful,
yes.
very nice, very nice. Congratulations to the teachers and the organizers once again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for cooperating and helping us out for this event. And the students also will be receiving certificates at the end of the workshop. So please expect your certificates to be in your mailbox by next week. I'm just going to be giving you a glimpse of the kind of certificate that you will be receiving. So I hope you're looking forward to it. So this is just a sample of
such a certificate. It's such a nice, colorful certificate. Tasneem, it's really wonderful. Hats off once again, yes. Really great.
Yeah. So whichever workshop that you have been attending, you will be receiving a certificate for the same workshop. This is just a sample template that I'm showing for the sketchbook designing workshop. So I hope it has been an enriching experience for you, just as it has been for us. Tremendous learning in terms of planning, in terms of attending all the workshops, and it was truly a great experience. I will now hand over to...
how many participants were there per workshop, about roughly?
So we had a range of participants, somewhere from 30 to anywhere up to 70.
That
is
was
what we were.
According to individual interests?
Yes. The workshop, they could attend any two workshops of their choice on day 1 and day 2. So there was a range of participants that we had during the workshop.
Thank you. Thank you.
Arun sir, we had filled up a Google form from all the kids ki jisko jo bhi interest rahega, to just select those, and then on that basis we bifurcated the students on each workshop. Then.
Wonderful, wonderful. Very nice.
Yeah.
So what was the closing total count? 253? 253, right. Yeah.
Siddharth, you send me a letter with all the details. Huh? You must read it before you send it.
जो क्या हो गया उसमें लिखा हुआ है 250. उसके बाद भी कुछ आपको लेटर जाने के बाद भी कुछ रजिस्ट्रेशन आई थी.
ठीक है. Understand.
Yeah, so we had a very, very overwhelming response. In fact, after we closed registration, we had mails to our art team saying that, from different parts of the world. In fact, day before night, Ms. Charu received a mail from Kerala, a parent asking and seeking that, can her two children join in for the workshop. So that was very, very overwhelming to see that, this workshop could reach out to so many people across the country.
I have appreciated it totally. The wonderful thing, and I'm so feeling myself privileged to be sitting in this place as a guest of honor. Guest of honor though is dur ki baat, but I am a friend and a youngster at heart. My age may be just a number, but I appreciate the students' involvement the teachers involved, the two Sonali and Karan involvement, and of course your full-hearted support of your president. And really wonderful, great job. To encourage art is one thing which one should remember. It is not only the professionals like doctors and engineers which should have the say. Art is a medium which can be used and has to be. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun sir. Thank you so much. So now we come to the end of the session. So let me invite the project director and the project chairman, Sonali cum Praveen Khattar, to propose the official vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Karan. Good evening, everyone. I would still want to say Honorable Guest of Honor, District Youth Service Director of Rotary District 3141, Dr. Arun Garg, Nahar International School Principal, Ms. Vandana Arora, Rotary Club Mumbai Mulund South President, Rotarian Siddharth Daftari, and Secretary Sapnesh Neema, Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South Nidhi Rao, and Secretary Nandita Shah, artists who have been an integral part of this art fest, HODs, coordinators, facilitators of Nahar International School, students and participants, and my fellow Rotarians and Rotractors. It's been indeed a pleasure to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Nahar International School and Rotary and Rotaract Club of Mumbai Mulund South, extend this vote of thanks to all of you who are present today. A big thank you to our guest of honor, Rotarian Dr. Arun Garg, for taking out time and gracing this occasion. It has been indeed an honor, sir, for you to have felicitate the artists. Thank you all the artists to have facilitated these engaging workshops over the 2 days with the students. The students had the opportunity to interact with you, understand your journey as an artist. They could also create a piece of art under your guidance, which was commendable. This has really been an amazing journey. I extend my thanks to Ms. Priyanka Lad, the Digital Literacy Coordinator, who has imparted knowledge about the art tools to the art teachers yesterday, which would make their classes fun and interesting. I would like to express my profound gratitude to our principal, Ms. Vandana Arora, for her presence in the Art Fest for the past 2 days. I would like to thank our art facilitators, Ms. Charu, Ms. Shalaka, Ms. Zeel, a loud shout out for you all to have organized the third Chiaroscuro, an annual event, even if we had to go online. Can we have you all say hi, Ms. Charu?
Yay!
Hi. Ms. Shalaka.
Thank you.
Super Charu ma'am, Shalaka ma'am.
Very lovely.
And Ms. Zeel.
All of them have lovely smiles, so I can understand how they appreciate.
I would like to thank Rotary President Siddharth Daftari, Secretary Sapnesh Neema, Rotaract President Nidhi Rao, and Secretary Nandita Shah for their involvement and support of this project. They have been there through the process of planning of the event. Thank you so much, Rotary family and Rotaract family, for being there. It is my pleasure to now thank the backbone of this project, the IT team, Mr. Ajay Hadala, Mr. Siddhesh from Nahar International School, and Ms. Lakshmi Murarka from Rotary, RCMMS, our Rotary Club of Mumbai Mulund South. Thank you, the three of you. You have been the constant pillars of support behind the scenes to help us run the event smoothly. A big round of applause for all.
Superb IT team, superb.
I also extend the thanks to our high school coordinator, Ms. Tasneem Qureshi, middle school coordinator, Ms. Kiran Rao Mathur, event coordinator, Ms. Shamla, for coordinating with all the stakeholders of the event. Also, I would like to thank Ms. Zara, Ms. Nidhi, Ms. Darshana for all the creative and collaterals of the event. Arun sir, what you just saw, whatever the PPT that you saw or the certificate that you saw, all has been the effort by them.
Superb. And what fast, it was just, the workshop got over at what time?
It got over at 6:15, sir.
6:15 it got over, and within half an hour we got everything ready. That's amazing.
Yes. This event also saw a beautiful bond between the teachers of NIS, Rotarians and Rotractors, and how they collaborated to ensure a smooth functioning of each workshop. Thank you, each one of you, all the teachers, Rotarians and Rotractors. A big shout out to all of you. And thank you all of the students and teachers who participated, because without you, this event would not have been fruitful. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.
It was
Karan,
our
I can take your
pleasure.
leave now.
Sorry?
Thank you,
I
Sonali.
can leave now.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I think I officially would request the president to.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Siddharth,
Yes, President Siddharth Aptali.
Thank you, everybody. Call of the project and term it as one of the most successful RIPEN of District 3141. I'm sure Arun will second this thing.
yes, definitely. And I looking forward to many more functions from this from both Sonali and Karan. And please go ahead. You have my go ahead. It was amazing. I've attended a RIPEN earlier, which was on a different basis, but to do it on a virtual platform and with so much great success. And I think you'll have amazing ideas flowing into y'all. And
sir, this is just a trailer. Picture abhi baki hai.
picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
Yes.
No problem. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Arunji, we are also looking ahead for Mana and MIPS also.
हाँ देखो वो मैं जितना मेरे तरफ से I will try to push ahead with Saif Qureshi. He knows me very well.
Yes.
And I see that you'll do it. You can have a man, they call it man in the school.
Yes.
And, you can do it at Nahar itself because you've got an amazing support system here.
No, we every year do it Nahar only man. So we're planning. Yeah.
तुम्हारा क्या time?
So Praveen, before we wind off, just a suggestion: can we have a student ka feedback if possible? Any one or two students can speak about the workshop, how they felt about it.
Sure, it will be great to hear from them.
Yeah. So yeah.
Students, anyone who would like to share their experience, please come forward, unmute yourself and please say.
Don't feel shy. Okay, this is the time you start opening up, and I'm sure you're all confident enough to come out and give your experiences. I love to hear from you all, and I'm sure maybe many of the artists also.
Anyone?
Hi.
Hi. Can you introduce
Hi,
yourself?
Vaishnavi.
Yeah.
Actually, my name is Vaibhavi, and I am in class 10th BPM Beato School, Mulund. And
Okay.
I enjoyed the session, and it was very nice, and it was good. Like the coordination was also very nice, and the workshop was also very nice. Yeah.
Thank you so much, dear.
And I learned a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your feedback. Any more students coming up? There's once in a time opportunity to speak your heart out.
Hello.
Yeah, sure.
Hi. I'm actually attending from Dubai over here.
Wow.
It was a really beautiful session. Honestly, I enjoyed very much both the sessions that I had. I went for graffiti and watercolor. Honestly, if all the sessions didn't coincide, I would have attended all of them if I could. But really well coordinated and really well done. Thank you so much.
That's what I was thinking, Sonali and Karan. And that's the reason I asked whether they had a choice. But looking at it, I think it must have been that most of them must have wanted to choose, but you all must have given them only 2 per day. So the option was limited to them.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank-
Nice
thank
to
you,
hear that
Shreya.
you attended from Dubai.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sonali, anyone from Nahar?
Hi, Nahar International students. Can you, someone of you, just tell us how was your experience? Anyone? Or the teachers will start naming you, so it's better that you volunteer. Because we want to hear from you.
You guys are already on the lookout to search for the which student. I can see you actually looking at the screen. I'm new to it, so I can't see any other except this 9 of y'all. Come on, student.
Hello. Yes,
Yeah.
Ishita. Come over, Ishita. Come. Hi, I'm Ishita from Nahar International School. My experience in Chiaro School, this function was very nice because whoever, like all the people who were helping out, like the teachers and the people who were conducting the who were conducting the session, they were very prompt with whatever we were asking. So like if you had any doubt or any question like how their life was and how they were making those stuff, and they very nicely and very promptly answered whatever we asked. And for this, the session for me wasn't like boring at all. It was very fun and very exciting, and I got to learn something new.
Thank you, Ishita, for your feedback. You got a very cute dog as your DP picture.
Yes.
Yeah, Sonali. So I think we are on time. Should we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
we will
Siddharth,
want to wind up at on time the way we started on.
started on time. Yeah, that's record for e-writing now for us. So we have to maintain the record. So
Yes.
Siddharth, can you say the final words and we can adjourn the project then? Siddharth?
Yes, मुझे जो बोलना था मैंने पहले बता दिया. So we can close the meeting. We can call off the project. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
A wonderful event. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thank you
kids.
so much.
Right. Thank you.
Karan, how do I log out of this thing?
So there is one disconnect button you can see in the center. There's a red button on the screen.
1 minute.
अरुण
हाँ?
अरुण शाम को रात को फोन करके बता देते.
Guys, kids are there with us. Let's talk offline.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, everyone.
I think thanks Nahar School teachers and students for a lovely event. Thank you so much.
I request the teachers of Nahar International School to stay back for 2 minutes. Thank you so much, everyone, from the Rotary and the Rotrack family. It has been such a wonderful journey. I have said everything in the vote of thanks, but I can't thank you all enough.
Anytime, Sonali. Anytime.
Chalo, Sonali. Bye.
Bye, Karan. Thank you so much. Thank you,
What time?
students.
Chalo, see ya. Bye. Thank you, Lakshmi.
Bye, ma'am.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Lakshmi.
ma'am.
Thanks, Niti. Thanks, Gunika.
Thanks, Charu ma'am. Thanks, Tasneem ma'am. Thanks, all the teachers for bearing me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, all of y'all. Bye.
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 Thanks, Niti. Bye.
Bye.